In today's tech tip, we're going to take a look at how the attendance feature works in Canvas, because there are a few things to be aware of when using the tool. To begin, we want to activate the tool. So to activate the tool, we're going to click on Settings in the lower left-hand corner. We're going to click on Navigation. We're going to locate the attendance tool, which is in the bottom pane here, meaning it's not an active tool. And we're going to drag it up to become an active tool. Now that attendance is in the active pane, we're going to scroll down and say Save. And you can see we've successfully activated the attendance tool. So now that we've activated the tool, we're going to take a look at how to take attendance. So pretty simply, we're going to click on our attendance tool, and when we do that, we're going to see the roster for our course. The easiest way to do this is to mark everyone present by clicking Mark All Present. And then if a student has been absent or late, you would go to that individual student, click on this check mark. Once makes it absent, and you can tell it's absent by the red X. Once more makes it late, which is indicated by the yellow clock. And once more, when it's grayed out, that would indicate it was an excused absence. So for today, we'll have everyone attending class. So now that we've successfully taken attendance, let's take a look at how that's going to affect our gradebook and assignments. So if we go ahead and click on our assignment tab, you'll see that by taking attendance, it's created an assignment called roll call attendance. And that's going to be worth 100 points, and as students are late or absent, Canvas is automatically going to deduct points from that 100. So now your next step is to decide how you want the roll call attendance to affect your grades for your students. If you click on the roll call attendance assignment and you click Edit Assignment, you can put a check in this box, which means that this assignment will not count towards the final grade for the student. And if you go down and say Save, basically what's going to happen is your students will still receive a grade for their attendance, but it will not affect their final outcome of their grade. Another option for the roll call attendance assignment would be to put it in its own weighted group. So here you can see my assignments are worth 90% of my final grade. I have attendance worth 10% of my final grade. I can just go ahead and move this assignment into its own group, and now that roll call attendance will count as 10% of my final grade. Or of course you could also put it in a group that's worth 0% and work it into a class participation and attendance assignment that you've created elsewhere.